I'm not even sure what happened to the weather here, but I had to come in and get a winter hat on. It's cold. Everybody's okay in here. I just got the brooder cleaned out. Oh, look, we got a little dirt bath action going on. Little Edwina, Edward Scissorbeak, and Laverne and Shirley, the two Polish girls. They're Polish. I need to learn a Polish accent. Polish accent. What does that sound like? Are you getting too hot in there, Amelia? Here, let's crack that open for you, lady, okay? No, it's not too hot. She's all worked up. Hold on really quick. Turn that down just a little bit. Oh, Diana. What is going on with you? Are you alright? You just want to be loved? Do you want me to sit down for a minute with you? You want to come out and just... What's going on? I don't understand. She doesn't want to be outside. She's just off to herself. There's nothing wrong with her. How many times have I heard that about myself in life? There's something's going on. I just don't know what. So I continue to pump her full of, beyond the electrolytes, the vitamin B12 from Rooster Booster products. This stuff right here. I add it to her water. She also gets fresh garlic. She gets everything. This girl, she just doesn't want to live outside. You know, she's like, I just look at it's warm in here, and I just want to be here. All right, we'll come check on everybody outside. Hey guys, hey. What's going on? Marge, my two vented hen with the underbeak. I got a scissor-beak, that I hope is an underbeak. Come here, Marge. Marge has her underbeak because she was a battery hen. Battery hens are the hens that are born and raised to lay eggs in mass production for the first 12 to 18 months of their life. 80 plus birds in a cage. Their beaks are cut so they don't kill each other. Marge also has two vents. And while that is almost scientifically unprovable that really exists, science also can't say that it doesn't exist. And I'm here to say it exists, because not only does Marge have an underbeak, Marge definitely has two vents, and she does lay 2 eggs a day at times, not all the time. Bizarre, because even what science says is even if a bird does have 2 vents, they still only have 1 reproductive system, which means they can only lay 1 egg a day. Marge went egg bound several months ago. That was a journey for this Good Shepherd who's used to putting my finger in hens' vents all the time. I didn't know which vent to go in, and she had 2 eggs that were bound, and they were huge. I couldn't believe it. I still can't believe it, Marge. And she survived to have her story told. Now Starla's out here, and Starla says the story's all about me. And Chip is just like, no, the story's really all about me, and I want to go inside. PJ, are you okay, PJ? You just chilling up there on the wire rack? Yeah, Blackie, you're okay? Chip Chomp? Chewy? Oh, up here we got the sheep chewing their cud. Cash, he's like, where's she going? I don't see any food in her hand. No, Cash, I don't have any food. Starla? Up there's the livestock guardian dogs taking their little rainy afternoon, wet, cold nap. Livestock guardian dogs are nocturnal by nature, so they do sleep all day. Well, originally when they were created in this life, it was to give the Good Shepherd time at night to sleep. That's why they're nocturnal. It is for the Good Shepherd. I love it. Gilbert, George Clooney, you taking care of your ladies here, huh? Where's Storm? I'm still a little bit concerned about Storm. Yeah, I feel like I need to bring her in. She was my viral video several weeks ago. Sideways egg-bound chicken. I've been keeping my eye on her, and I really keep learning. I don't want to take them away because birds of a feather do rely on their flocking together. Look at Janet and Chrissy back here with Andy just chilling. The ladies. I wish I could get Sylvia to come back here with you guys too. I do want to see where Storm is. Storm. I have all these nesting areas behind the barn, and I don't see her. So maybe she's under the red building. Anyway, let me just do my little rounds here because that's what I do after I come back out. I am the full-time Good Shepherd here on our small hobby farm. We have about 50 some animals. Beaker! Sylvia, Frito, Jackie. All right. Well, I think it's time for a little afternoon delight here. I saw an armadillo out here this morning. I saw an armadillo in central North Carolina. I was like, of all the times, I videoed my entire life, of all the times. By the time I got my phone up to video, it was like, boy, where'd it go? They rolled away. You know, they rolled up into a ball like this. And then my husband told me there's apparently been some rare sightings of armadillos in the county we live in here in central North Carolina. That's where I saw the white deer for 3 weeks also, the rare, entirely white albino deer. I saw the cows take that deer to bed at night. I mean, I can't make these things up. I don't make anything up. It's all real. And it is a beautiful life. Thank you, heaven.